Hello, viewers. Quick update here on my 6-gang Auxbeam switch controller install. The couple videos here that I posted showing the install of the switch box assembly and the actual controller switch in the cab. Obviously, lots of interest in doing 8-gang installations, not just 6. So I do have a bracket for the interior that fits the 8-gang, and then somebody asked me about also a bracket for the 8-gang switch assembly box in the engine compartment. So this is an update about that. But these two videos here are for reference because I'm not going to actually do a full installation of the 8-gang since I have a 6-gang. So anyway, here's the update that we have from my video. You saw I used a bracket like this. This is a bracket that pretty much you remove a piece of plastic right next to the battery, and I end up installing this like this side against the engine compartment, and then reinstall that piece of plastic. And then when you shut the hood, the damper actually falls right here, so it doesn't interfere. And then I install the 6-gang actual switches right here. And there's, what about the 8-gang? So the 8-gang is obviously a little bit bigger, nice flat profile. It's actually a really nice design. And it comes with a different type of bracket to install. Keep things as light as possible, but this is the bracket that comes with it. Now, I'm not sure that all versions and knockoffs or white labels of the Auxbeam 8-gang come with this. And what this does is you can mount probably backwards. You can mount this right on top. You can flip it, mount it on this side. But so yeah, how can we use this or come up with something very similar to use in the ZR2 right over the battery? So without even having to try and redesign this bracket right here, you can actually attach it to this bracket to this one. So if you install my bracket to the wall of the kind of near the wheel well, just above the battery, in this position so the flange comes up like in my video, you can then install this included bracket right to it, and then get that mounted, and then mount the controller right to it. So you can use that bracket. I will update the things on my store. Just keep in mind that this is a little wider, and you want to make sure that you place this in the right place so you're not touching a terminal or anything on your battery. It looked like it would clear it, but I didn't really install this on my vehicle because I have a 6-gang in the way. So anyway, that's my addendum to that install. So if you need a bracket to install this on your ZR2 above the battery, you can use this part. So if you're interested in any of those parts, you can actually go to the links and the information on the video below. And again, at the end of the video, I'll leave the links to the videos, the other 2 installation videos for the 6-gang, because it's going to be very similar for the 8-gang. So anyway, any questions, comments, leave them below. Like this video, subscribe to get updates on any future videos. So thank you.